Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. So it looks like today we're doing puzzle number 151. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. No help here. 3, 6, 9. 3 here, so 6, 9. And no help here. 3, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got 1, 2, and 4 here, so this is our 3. That 1 and 2 means this is our 4. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 9. No help here. 6, 7, 9. 7 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 7, 9. 1 and 6 here, so 7, 9. No, and 9 here, so 1, 6, 7. And no help here, 1, 6, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 7, 9. 3, 4 here, so 7, 9. 3, 7 here, so 4, 9. Now if we look, the only place a 3 can be in that column is here, and the only place a 4 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 6, 7, and no help here. 1, 6, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 1. 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so this is our 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 7, 9, 7, 9. That 9 makes this our 6, and this our 6. And that 6 and 9 makes this our 7. This 7 makes this our 9. Let's do some cleanup here. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. That 6 and 9, we can get rid of this 6, this 9. With this 9, we can get rid of this 9. And with this 7, we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. All right, for this top row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9, 9 here, so 2, 3. And if we look at that row, the only place the 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any help here, so 6, 9. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And with that 6, that makes this our 9, 3, 9. That 9 makes this our 6, 1, 6. With that 7, that makes this our 3, 7. And that 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this box, we're missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.